Hello, I'm Brian Jones, Product Sales Manager for Chemflex, and I'd like to introduce the new Timbabuild Starter Kit. Inside we have a complete kit allowing you to begin as a new customer with the company. We have the EHB 60, which is the epoxy high build. We have a ERC 10, which is for minor repairs and splicing. We have the EWS epoxy wood primer. Two sets of gloves. One 3-piece set of putty knives. A Timbabuild 2-part wood filler finish. Timber glaze replacement putty. We also have the dispensing tool, and it comes complete with its own mixing board. In the back we have a instruction leaflet. It comes complete in a birchwood handmade reusable box with its own clips and handle.